Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Miraki by Avinash Kaur. Today I'm here with a new video on Macrame Mandala tutorial. So let's get started. First we just need some macrame rope, scissors and a steel ring. First we're gonna cut the macrame rope into 42 inches and we're gonna cut 7 cords to make a set. Ring I used is of 6 inches diameter. So let's get started with the lug's head knot. You just need to fold the cord into half, place the fold behind the ring. Now pull the ends up through the loop. Same procedure for all the 7 cords to make a set so that we can proceed with our design. As you see, we are done with our first set of lug's head knots. Now we're going to move towards the double half hitch. For double half hitch, there will be one holding cord and one tie around cord. Take the third cord from the left as a holding cord and fourth cord from the left as a tie around cord. Using the fourth cord, tie a half hitch around the third cord twice. Now pull to tighten the knots. Here we'll be making just one set. Do the same procedure with the 5th and the 6th cords from the left. 5th will be the holding cord, 6th will be the tie around cord. Take the third cord as a holding cord, fourth one as a tie around cord and make a set of knot. You will see the design coming on the top of our second set. Now repeat the same procedure for the right hand side as well, taking the 3rd, 4th, 5th and the 6th cord. You will notice that the design is moving towards the center from both the sides. Now we'll be creating a set from the first and the second cord from the left hand side. First cord will be the holding cord, second cord will be tie around cord. A double half hitch from the first and the second cord, we'll be moving to the third cord as a tie around cord and we'll be making another set. And next, similarly, we'll be moving to the fourth cord, to the 5th cord and the 6th cord. From the left as a holding one, the 6th one as a tie around one. Now create a double half hitch knot. Again moving towards the center, we'll be taking the 4th one, the 3rd one and the 2nd cord, so that we'll see the design is moving towards the center. In total, there will be 6 knots from top to the bottom, forming the shape V. Now repeat the same procedure for the right side as well. Focusing on the center part, taking the second rope as a tie around, the third one as a holding cord. Now create a double half hitch, one set only. After that, we'll be creating 2 alternate sets, moving from the right hand side to the left hand side, and you'll find the left knot overlapping the right knot. Now taking the first 2 cords from the center, create another double half hitch, moving towards the center. We need to change the tie around cord with every set. In this way, we'll be moving towards the center. Now repeat the same procedure with the right hand side and move towards the bottom, and you will see your design is complete. Now create as many sets as you can to finish up the whole ring, and next we'll be moving towards the next knot. Next we're gonna be doing the square knots. First bring the left cord over the 3 cords, bring the right cord under the 2 mid cords and pass through the loop. Here you have the first half of the square knot. For the second half of the square knot, bring the right cord over the 3 cords and then bring the left cord under the 2 mid cords and pass through the loop. Now we'll be doing the same procedure with the remaining set of cords till we reach the bottom. After I finish with all the sets, we're gonna be cutting all the extra length of cords. You can take any approximate length of your choice. For finishing up, open the weave of each cord by pulling the threads in the direction opposite to its weave. Next, detangle it by using a narrow comb. After detangling, chop the extra threads using the scissors into your desired length. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. You can also find me over the Facebook and Instagram with the same name, Meraki by Avinash Kaur. Thank you for watching my video. Do share it with your friends. Thank you so much.